Good morning, YouTube friends. It's so early here, like 6:02 in the morning, and my wife and I we have our gate duty in our different schools, so I have to do some rush filming here, and we have lots of ripe ones this morning. My wife has to bring this one to school, and this mulberry here could be her snacks kind of thing. We have to harvest today, this early morning. You might be questioning me why. Because as you can see here, right here on the ground, we have here a few that have fallen already from the branches up here. I don't know, I think we have to separate those mulberry fruits that fell on the ground, and we'll clean that up differently, separately, because insects might have tested already. The fruit have beaten already the top end. So we have here, and this is our fifth harvest actually. Another amazing harvest. Another amazing harvest of our Himalayan mulberry here. So exciting. Look at here, YouTube friends. And I've mentioned to you already that it's easy to pluck it off from the branch itself once it's ready for the harvest. These other two here need to be in a hurry because I still have work. Oh man. You know what, YouTube friends? In gardening, there are gardeners who are really enjoying about the seeding, the planting, that kind of season in farming or in gardening. But you know what? I think many or all of you will agree with me that the most exciting part in farming as a whole will be the time of the harvest, where you will see and you will enjoy the fruit of your labor. So like this one, it's been like 3 weeks of waiting, and now we got the result every single day for, I think it can last like 2 weeks time of doing this Himalayan harvest. Every time I came here, YouTube friends, to give you the Himalayan mulberry update, I always forgot. Mosquitoes are sucking my blood. I always forgot to bring some container or a bowl where I can place these Himalayan mulberry. Mommy! Or maybe we need one this time, because we have lots of Himalayan mulberry harvest today, because we have rain yesterday, and I think last night we have some like mild showers. That's why these fruits really fast to turn into red color. Okay, look at that. Some of them are not really that red, but they're already soft. So we still have more. Oh, the mosquitoes are enjoying my blood. Oh, we have lots of Himalayan mulberry now. Mommy! Mommy! I'm calling my wife from the inside, asking for a container or a bowl where I can put all these harvests this morning. I'm still looking for some leftover here. Yeah, we still have here. They're really soft, and perhaps there are a few already that fell on the ground, maybe last night, because of that. Sometimes here in Thailand, YouTube friends, the mild showers can last few hours during the night, so that could be the possible reason that we have more harvests. And of course, it makes sense as today is our 5th harvest. So as the days go by, we will have more and more harvests from this Himalayan mulberry. Oh, why this one is not easy to pluck it off. Okay, do we still have here? Maybe this one. Mommy, bowl. So my wife has to rescue me here. We have lots of harvest this early morning, YouTube friends. I think 6:15 already. We're chasing time. I need to be at school at 7, standing at the gate like a security guard for more than an hour, greeting all students. Not all of them are happy to come to school, and we're trying to share some smile to brighten their day. Oh, mommy, please help me here. Come on. Mommy, you have to bring all these Himalayan mulberry today, and this could be your good snacks at school. Wow, YouTube friends, look at that. We have, like, probably we double our harvest during our 3rd time harvest. I think I have to clean this one first. That one fell on the ground. Let me see first. Look at that, YouTube friends. I cannot hold it here with my hand. I have to bring this bowl with the help of my wife. Okay, thank you. And YouTube friends, I'll give you an update more of our gardening vegetables here and other stuffs right in our front yard. So maybe this afternoon if I still have time, but likely this weekend we will do some live streaming, so stay tuned. I think Sunday morning or Sunday afternoon, or Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon, I'll do live streaming. Usually that would be early in the morning of Sunday, and also like early afternoon of Sunday. We'll do live streaming, so stay tuned. I hope that you will not miss that date. Today is 18, right? 19, 20. 20 of November, this coming Sunday, morning and afternoon. I'll do live streaming, so take note on that schedule. I hope that you will join with me in my live streaming in the garden. So we have many things to talk about it that time. So again, thank you for stopping by and subscribing to our YouTube channel. I hope that you will share this video and we will make this community bigger in the coming days, in the coming years. Thank you once again. Have a nice day to all of you.